These are 7 best microjobs websites that will earn you extra cash working from home in Nigeria. Here is my current balance in one of the websites. These are legit and trusted websites, and I already cashed out this amount in this particular website. And you can see the kind of money people are making from different countries just by doing microtask jobs on this particular website. This person is from Nigeria. Look at how much money he has made with this number of tasks. And this is what I'll be showing you. And you can see my current balance that I'm yet to collect. This particular website has made me over $70. This one was cashed out recently. And look at this amount too. And you can see this is another withdrawal from the same account. This is another website that has made me over $58. And you can see my current balance in this account that I will soon cash out. And this particular one has made me over $13. And you can see my current balance. And this one, I already cashed out over 20 euros. And you can see my current balance that I will soon cash out. You know, you can only earn extra cash working with all these platforms. The best way to make good money is to build your own personal business, which you can do with that phone in your hand. This is why I'll be introducing to you towards the end of this video my YouTube training program. You see, as a Nigerian, it is very difficult to get legitimate online businesses like websites and apps that will accept and pay Nigerians. This is why you need to watch this video to the end. I came up with 23 apps that makes me money all the time in Nigeria. You will get to see this towards the end of this video. But first, what are these 7 microjobs websites? Let me show you. This is Timebox. Trust me, this is one of the best platforms to do microtask jobs online from anywhere in the world. They've been around for over 10 years. Look at it. And you'll be able to get paid for playing games, complete microtasks like test the website, install apps, watch videos, and answer surveys. All you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video. You get to my website. From my website, you get to this place. So you can actually make good money and get paid from this platform. You can see my current balance, and I've gotten paid this total amount on this platform. As soon as you log on to start working, you come to menu here, you scroll down, you click earn. You can make money playing games, taking surveys, doing tasks, offer wars, content. You can refer your friends and family members. You can start from here, task. You click it, you scroll down, look at it. You have total tasks available, 264 tasks. If you complete them, you'll be able to get over $32. This is one of them. This is another one. This is another one. And you are going to see a lot of smaller ones like this. All you need to do is to do as many as you can to accumulate the money you can make on this platform. How do you get paid? For you to get paid, you go to your menu, scroll down, locate settings. Settings. You click settings. You scroll down. When you scroll down, you make sure that you verify your ID. You upload your picture. That is your valid ID card. If you are from Nigeria, Nigeria National Driver License, your international passport, your NIN will do. This is where you select the payment method. You click payment method. You scroll down. Payment method, you click. These are different payment methods. Payer, ATM, Scree, virtual Visa card, Litecoin. This is my top recommendation. And you can also get paid through Litecoin. You will need a crypto exchange like Bybit. With Bybit, you can easily cash out your money directly to your bank account in any country. So you have so many options that you can use. This is why sense you'll be able to do microtask job and earn extra cash with this platform. All you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video to sign up for free. You are going to get the link to this page on my website. You see the link below the description of this video. You can see there are a lot of tasks here, and the good thing is that you get paid good money on this website. Look at it. These are surveys that is thrown at me now for me to do. Never use VPN so that your account will not be blocked and you may lose all your money. So you can play games. Look at it. These are games. Look at values of games that you can play. This is $2. This is over $97 just for playing games. This is almost $7. This is almost $5 playing games. So when you do this, look at it. These are features offers that you can do. These are other days playing games, watching videos on this platform. Another way to make money is to refer your friends and family members. You click here. You click affiliate. You click affiliate program. You just scroll down, you copy your link and you share to your friends and family members, and that will earn you extra commission on this platform. But how do you withdraw your money? To withdraw your money, you click cash out. You can see I currently have almost $3. Look at it. If you want to see how much I've cashed out, if you click this place, my rewards, you can see I've cashed out on several occasions on this platform. I use ATM. this $5, $10, and I use Amazon gift cards occasionally. To withdraw your money on this platform, you have so many options. It depends on your country, but if you are from Nigeria, this is my top recommendation for now. There is no direct crypto here. The challenge with Payoneer is that if you withdraw $25, when the money gets to the platform, you will need $50 to pay the money to your bank account in your country. So, but with ATM, you can collect this money directly to your bank account through P2P, and they will even give you more commission for using the platform. So, and I've withdrawn severally with this method. Watch this video. The link of this video will come out. It will walk you through what to do. And this platform, ATM, will give you a gift of $3 if you use my link. You also see the link below the description of this video. Ensure you take that advantage. So this is how to make money with wise sense, doing microtask jobs. So ensure you take advantage of this platform. You see the link below the description of this video. From that place, you get to my website. From my website, you have access to all these platforms, and you'll be able to claim other sign-up bonuses and relevant websites that will help you make more money. This is another top platform, one of my top recommendations to do microtask job online. The link below the description of this video will take you to my website, and you're going to get this link on my website. This website will help you to earn extra income with ease. You can earn up to $100 playing games on this website. You can get up to $5 for every surveys that you attempt, though this depends on your country and your consistency, and you can always cash out when your money gets to $5. And if you refer your friends and family members, you get 10% commission. Another way to get free money on this platform is to share your internet. That is, you'll be able to sell your internet bandwidth and unused data. You can use your phone, tablet, or computer system. This is the inside of my page. You can see my current balance. How much have I made on this website? Payment history. You can see recently I will do this amount. I use Visa virtual card, and this is another amount over $46 that I've cashed out on this platform. You know you can make free money on this platform too. I got paid $5 just for sharing my internet connection. So that is how much money I've made so far on this platform. How do you get paid? To get paid, you come to this place, payment methods. All you need to do is to select your country. I'm in Nigeria, and when you select your country, you see different options that you have. You can use Bitcoin, you can use Visa, you can use your money to purchase this VPN. I recommend you use this Bitcoin to get paid. When you use Bitcoin, you get paid to any crypto exchange of your choice. I recommend Bybit for now. You can easily get Bybit P2P to your bank account in any country. Watch this video. The link of this video will walk you through how I get paid all the time. I got paid over $45 from this website. So all you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video, claim your $3 sign up bonus, and start working. Thank you. This is ClickWorker. All you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video. You sign up, you make sure you click for ClickWorkers, not for customers. Your job here is to help empower and equip AI training. You can see this is the inside of my ClickWorker. The first thing you need to do, you come to your profile. This is where you provide enough information about yourself that will help you get jobs on this platform. The next important thing you need to do is to look for onboarding jobs. The essence of onboarding jobs is to train you how to use your phone, tablet, or computer to do jobs on this platform. Look at this. This is a tutorial job. How to do a photo capturing jobs, how to do a video creation jobs. All those ones will earn you small euro. How to do a voice recording jobs, how to do a survey jobs, how to do a categorization jobs. So you get paid all this money. Another job that you need to target is partners platforms. Partners platform are third-party companies on ClickWorker where you can get good jobs. After that, you can now do app jobs. You'll be able to see different jobs you can do. Like this one, you just need to take your baby's picture and post it to them. You get 2 euros. These are another jobs. You'll be able to get 3 euros. Look at this. Take a walk near a pool or garden pond or river. Record a video. These are jobs that will earn you good money. Another good job that you need to focus on is UHRS jobs. They will train you, and for you to know how to do the job very well, just search for UHRS by Ask JOFA. The next way to make money is by inviting your friends and family members. This platform will pay you 5 euros as soon as the person you invite has earned up to 10 euros. So you can take advantage of that too. To withdraw your money, you come to this side, you scroll down. For you to know how much I've gotten paid so far, you click invoice. You can see I currently have 5 euro and I've gotten paid over 20 euro on this platform. so far. For you to set up your payment method, you click payment method. We have two major payment methods. Under your payment method, you need to set your tax detail. This is not a big deal. You just fill in your name, your address. This tax identification is not compulsory, but you know I have my own. So after you must have done your tax detail, you select your payment method. To set up your payment method, you either choose ClickWalker or Payoneer. I'm currently using ClickWalker. I've used Payoneer to withdraw before. The challenge with Payoneer is that you can only withdraw when your money gets to 20 euro, but you can withdraw with ClickWalker e-wallet when your money gets to 10 euro. I recommend ClickWalker e-wallet, and I have a video. The link of the video will come out here. It's full detailed video on step by step of how you set up your ClickWalker wallet. Ensure you watch that video. So this is how you make money doing microtask jobs on ClickWalker. Thank you. This is free cash. All you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video. It's going to take you to my website. On my website, you are going to get the link that will take you to this place. You'll be able to sign up and get a $5 sign up bonus for using my link. On this platform, you'll be able to get paid for testing apps, playing games, and doing surveys. You'll be able to earn $30 for every offer on this platform. And you can see they have over 300 offers that is available for you. If you spend 17 minutes on this platform, you are sure to make money. That is what this implies. Individual person averagely made over $37 on this platform yesterday. This platform has paid out over $50 million. So how does it work? This is the inside of free cash. You can see my current balance and you can see how much money this website has earned me. Over $13 so far that I've withdrawn already, and I will soon withdraw this one. Ensure you use the link below the description of this video. Sign up, claim your $5 and start working. The first thing to do is to select what you want to use to work. Android phone, iOS, or you want to use your computer desktop. As you select, you see different offers, different ways to make money. So look at it. This is $9, $11, $1, $3. Doing what? Playing games using your phone or computer system. These are different surveys that you can do on this platform, many of them. And these are other survey partners, big names that will give you jobs constantly on this website. There are so many jobs here. Surveys partners. You can also invite your friends and family members. But how do you cash out from this platform? You click cash out to cash out. This cash out, you click it. You can cash out using Stake. You can use your PayPal. You can use your Visa card. These are my top recommendation that you can use. You can use Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, but I advise you to use Litecoin. It's cheap. Ensure you watch my videos. You see the link of the video will come out here. Watch that video. You see how I cash out recently from this website. And by the time you cash out through Litecoin, you can easily go to Bybit to withdraw your money to your bank account in your country. You also see the link to Bybit on my website. This is SproutGig. SproutGig is an online marketplace where you're going to get a lot of microtask jobs. There are two major kinds of jobs on this platform. There are microtask jobs and there are gig jobs. Under microtask jobs, you can see these are hot jobs that you can get. Jobs like watching videos. This one will pay you $2.05. You have a lot of them here. This is another good one. Just watching videos. $2.02. But you can always select what you want to do under microjobs. You click category. For instance, if you want to do video marketing job, you click video marketing jobs and you click apply. All the video marketing jobs will come out. Another good job that you can do here is paid surveys. You always see one surveys or the other that you can do on this platform. For you to do gig jobs, you come to this place. You click gig jobs. These are different categories. You click category. So many jobs that you can do, but it depends on your skills. So by the time you identify your skill, you upload your profile and you advertise yourself on social media platform to get jobs. Look at these people, 176 jobs, 129 jobs. Look at the amount they are charging. That is where they made a lot of money on this platform. But how do you withdraw on this platform? To cash out your money, you come to this place. You click wallet. I currently have this amount, almost $5. This is where you will click request withdrawals as soon as your money gets to $5. But before you can withdraw, you make sure you upload your ID card, your KYC, your PACNB receipt will do. If that will not do, you can download and scan your statement of account to them. You can see how much the platform has paid me. The people making real money on this platform are people that are doing gig jobs. Look at how much they earn, number of orders they've gotten on this platform. All you need to do is to start working. Ensure you use the link below the description of this video. This is 2Captcha. This platform specializes in solving captchas. You can see captcha entry work. You'll be able to get paid for doing captcha typing jobs on this platform. There is no registration fee required. It is free and you'll be able to get paid on a daily basis. All you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video. This is my dashboard and you can see I currently have almost $2. You can see to earn more funds, please use our app for Android or you can use Windows desktop. To start, you just click start work. You will need to go through some training. The training won't cost you anything. It will help you to learn how making money typing captcha works. You'll be required to be very fast when you are doing capturing job. This is just a training. You just click start work. So you are expected to type inside there. When you think you are right, you click send work. You can see I've gotten that one right. This is another one that is thrown at me. There are 2 words. You type the 2 words. When you are sure you are okay, send. Just make sure you read the instructions before you guess what you are typing. When such a letter is written like this, all you just need to do is to type them together. You look at it and you click send. 2569 2569. You enter. This one you select 3 squares with 3 signs. That is 37B. 37B. That is how you do captcha and you earn, though the amount you earn is very small, but it's something to somebody. For you to cash out, you click request payout when you have enough money. You will see the available balance you have. Please note that you can only request a payout only after 4 days of your registration on the platform, and you'll be able to select your payment method by clicking change wallet, and these are the minimum amount you need to have before you can use each of the payment methods. This is a good one here. You can also use PayA, and if you can wait to gather up to $30, you can use USDT, but this is a good one to use. You can now start working with these 7 microjobs platforms. Ensure you use the various links below the description of this video to sign up and start working. You see, the best way to earn good money online is to have your own platform with your own brand, and you can start that by starting a YouTube channel. There's nothing you cannot sell with video marketing. Ensure you check out my YouTube training program. You will see the link below the description of this video. Another thing you need to do right now is to ensure that you watch the next video. You will learn about those 23 apps that earn me money in dollars all the time from home in Nigeria. Also, do me one big favor. Please subscribe to this channel. Like this video. Drop your comment and I promise to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.